Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to upgrade champions in Galactic Frontier. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about champion rarity, because this is where a lot of players mess up. Legendary champions are stronger, but they're insanely expensive to upgrade later. Epic champions, on the other hand, are much easier to rank up and are way more realistic for free-to-play and light spenders. In fact, a well-built epic champion can outperform a poorly upgraded legendary. Now, to level up your champions, you need food. You can get it from story missions, but you can't gather it freely, and you can't just buy unlimited packs, so wasting it early will slow you down hard. Now, to actually upgrade champions, you'll need champion shards. You get these by summoning champions in the recruitment hall using virtuous memory shards. Every summon either unlocks a new champion or gives you shards for one you already have. Now, those shards are what you use to rank up basically your champions. Champion upgrades are all about ranking, not just leveling. As you rank up from green to gold, orange, red, and beyond, you unlock new abilities, passive bonuses, and huge perks and huge power spikes. Just know this, the higher the rank, the more shards it takes, and the grind ramps up really fast. Next, and this is critical, champion specialty matters more than rarity. Every champion is kinetic, ion, or beam. You want to build fleets using the same type. Three kinetic champions together will perform way better than mixing types, even if one of them is legendary. Finally, you want to make sure your champions match your ships. Ships get their specialty from components, and when your champion type and ship type match, you activate powerful set bonuses that boost your entire fleet. Your flagship, support ships, and champions all benefit. So the best upgrade strategy is simple. Focus on synergy, upgrade champions you actually use, invest in epics if you are free to play, and only push legendaries if you're in it for the long haul. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!